Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Curran, the director of the neuroscience program at Northern Kentucky University. And with permission from Simon and Schuster, I'm delighted to teach you a little bit about skulls. I hope you enjoy this book. You probably don't think much about skulls, but every head of every person you've ever seen has a skull inside, and that's a good thing. Skulls take a while to grow strong and hard, but it's time well spent. Skulls are safe and snug, like a car seat for your brain. And I hope you do a lot to protect your brain because it's extremely important in terms of how your body functions. So take care of your skull, you'll be taking care of that important brain inside. Skulls give your face a good shape. Skulls let your jaw snap. Skulls hold your teeth in place until they don't. Skulls have holes in them in many different places for sounds, for light, for air, for grilled cheese sandwiches. Skulls don't have noses, but skulls don't really need noses. They're more of a cartilage thing. That's a rubbery substance that's a little more flexible. And it turned out that most of your body skeleton actually started as cartilage. And then as you grew, it got harder and much more protective when it turned to bone. But most important of all, skulls are not trying to be scary. They can't help the way they look. They just do their job. And no one says thank you. Some people are even afraid of them. Not you, not you at all. You love your skull because it's that safe place to keep your brain. And that's what we study in neuroscience. How do all these different parts work to help you walk, to help you talk, to help you see, to help you learn language, and to help you understand what I'm saying to you? And remember, so you can tell the skull story to somebody else. You snap your jaws with gusto, and you love having teeth in your mouth. Until, of course, you lose them. You love having holes for hearing, for seeing, for smelling, and breathing, and for eating grilled cheese sandwiches. Now, go tell your friends, nice skull. It gives your face a good shape. Tell your family, thanks for helping my skull grow strong and hard. All that good, nutritious food that you've been eating, that helps your skull stay strong and it helps your brain inside the skull work well. Shout to the world, I love my skull. Take care of your skull because you only get one. And think of how amazing it is to have such good bones in your body. So I hope you're wearing that helmet when you ride your bike or your scooter. I hope when you go swimming in lakes and ponds that you're not familiar with, that you don't go diving in head first. That's one way that many people hurt their skulls and the brain inside. So use those helmets and protect that skull and protect that brain. There are a lot of cool skull facts. I'm not going to read them all to you, but in this book, which I hope you get a copy of one day or borrow from the library, it will tell you about the skulls and a little bit more information, like the top and back parts of your skull, which house your brain, is called the cranium. And your facial bones form separately from the rest of the skull. That includes your jaw, the movable part of the skull. The other bones are all fused together. The part that moves is called the mandible. The part with your upper teeth is called the maxilla. So there's a lot more to learn about skulls and the brain and nervous system and how it works. And I hope you continue to learn and read through the summer and have a great time in school this fall. So again, thanks to Simon and Schuster for letting us share skulls with you. And thanks to Blair Thornburg, the writer, and Scott Campbell, who drew all these cool pictures of skulls so you can learn more about it. Take care.